Does Harry regret ringing doorbells? Nine of Pentacles. He's still in this delusional world where he thinks that everything he does is totally safe. He is the Page of Swords. Well, I've got to go live my own life. And not seeing the folly of his ways. So, oh, good Lord. Hangman in reverse never learns from the experiences, never learns the lessons that are put in front of them. Harry, wake up. You've got to look at how it looks from the outside perspective. People like me, people like the United Kingdom residents, we're all seeing you look very, very foolish, dude. Is the British royal family afraid that exposure of Harry and Meghan's misdirected funds or allegedly misdirected funds in their charities and patronages, if it's going to shine a light on how some patronages and charities move money around for the elites? Ace of Wands, they really want this to just settle down and stop talking. They do know that there's some reckless action there. There is some money shuffling that goes on, and we are going to find out about it with the sun in reverse. That is a slow reveal. So, guys, unfortunately, I think we're going to find out that there's some money shuffling that has gone on that may not be above board with all of the royal family. One of history's mysteries is the plane crash for JFK Jr., which sadly killed him, his wife, Carolyn Bessette, and her sister. There's a lot of questions about it, including one from MJR about a fourth person being on the flight. There was a fourth seat that was missing. Was there another pilot on there? And why was the logbook missing? Fourth seat, Ace of Cups. I don't think so. I think, yes, they were all by themselves on that one. I don't think that that was it. I do think that he was ill prepared to fly that plane. And I think that he was a very foolish, enthusiastic young man who thought he could manage beyond his skill set. So, unfortunately, I do think that. So we just had a Mexican warship crash into the Brooklyn Bridge. Go figure. Weirder things have happened. Have a viewer who wants to know what's the deal with that. I got the Seven of Swords and Nine of Pentacles. Is it a distraction from some other things that are going on? Absolutely. This is something that needed to be done. Are we going to find out about it though? Nine of Wands in reverse, we are. So stick around, guys. We're going to find out what exactly happened with that. One of my subscribers keeps getting unsubscribed. Allison, I did a reading on it. So I do think that the algorithm for inactive subscribers will kind of wash that out because they think that they're bots. So I think that unfortunately they mistake you for someone who is not active. Temperance in reverse. They're just not seeing the actions that you're putting in on my channel. Thank you so much for being a subscriber. If any of you are experiencing unsubscribing issues, please make sure you let me know in the chat on this video.